Start by drawing a circle. Add different lines to begin the arms of the octopus. Draw additional lines to form the arms. Near the center of the circle, draw a horizontal line and a vertical line. This is where you'll add facial features. On the horizontal line, add circles for eyes. You can add creases under the eyes if you'd like to. Optional, add eyebrows above the eyes. Draw a mouth and add suction cups beneath the arms. To start the hat, begin with a circle or square shape. To form the shape of the hat, draw a square around the circle. Draw a cylinder or rectangle shape for the hat. To form the bottom of the hat, add an oval, circle, or rectangle shape